Hello everyone. Former President Jacob Zuma addressed the issue of factionalism in the newly formed party Umkhonto weSizwe, saying he was perturbed by members who were jostling for positions. The party in recent weeks has made changes to its senior leadership and its youth wing. According to the minutes of the meeting that took place on Monday, the former president said that all the party structures were interim and the leadership used their discretion to appoint people. He said he found it disconcerting that some leaders tried to resist when asked to give away for others to lead. Jacob Zuma said members who were in the Umkhonto weSizwe party for positions were free to leave and return to the ANC, where fights over positions were part of that organization's culture. The issue of the ANC having infiltrated the Umkhonto weSizwe party was also raised, with concerns that this was prevalent in the party at every level and was aimed at sowing division. Concern was also raised that some political, social, religious or traditional formations had joined the party to pursue their own agendas. The Electoral Commission of South Africa confirmed this week that Zuma's face will appear on the ballot as substitute for Umkhonto weSizwe party founder Jabulani Khumalo after a leadership reshuffle. IEC Deputy Chief Electoral Officer Masego Shibure confirmed that the MK party had notified them about their change of plans ahead of the May 29 national and provincial elections. He clarified and said, "We can confirm that the face that will be on the ballot for the Umkhonto weSizwe party is that of Jacob Zuma because the party has given us notice that it has changed its leadership structure. Khumalo is no longer the party leader." Khumalo registered Umkhonto weSizwe party on September 7 last year and it was officially launched by Zuma on December 16 in Soweto. Last week, the party said it had removed Bonginkosi Khanyile and the other youth league leaders as part of the strategic redeployment and in a move aimed at bolstering the party's efforts to achieve a transformative two-thirds majority. The party also asked other youth league members, including Deputy President Thapelo Maisha, Khan Qibane, who served as an interim Secretary General, and Philani Gazuzi, who holds the position of Gauteng Coordinator. The Umkhonto weSizwe spokesperson Nhlamulo Ndlela said the party had discovered individuals who were busy setting up parallel structures and said there's always going to be levels of infiltration. We picked them up. We know exactly who's who and we are making changes, removing people. People ask about what about stability, but you cannot talk about stability when there are people who are in roles and they themselves are creating instability and sabotage. Ndlela said they had found that people had been funded in certain situations to try to topple the party structures after the elections, and said we're dealing with it accordingly. If a person has to move and they are a source of infiltration, then we have to move them. If they are a catalyst for sabotage, we move them. However, Ndlela said not all recent changes in structures were as a result of sabotage or infiltration, and said people will be moved for certain reasons, incompetence, and maybe the role is just too big for them, some because of infiltration or other reasons. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.